Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. It is one of my favorite times of the year because Amazon Prime Day is almost here. It's such a good time if you're a shopaholic and Amazon-holic like I am, because you're probably gonna buy these things anyway, so why not just get a discount, you know? Today I'm gonna be running through my top recommendations, my master list of things that I actually think are worth the money, that are actually on sale, what you should probably purchase if you've been thinking about it. So I'm so excited to get into it. Everything will be linked down below. I have an entire tab for Prime Day sales over on my Amazon shop. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want like more up-to-date and short form recommendations. And I have a giveaway because I'm partnering up with Amazon to give away a gift card. Everything will be in the description box below, all the rules, all the links, everything. So subscribe for more and let's get into it. I love using this chair. Oh my god, I'm stuck. I love swiveling. Anyway, let's get started. Any sort of luxury beauty, your favorite Sephora, Ulta, and even like Neiman Marcus and Nordstrom brands will be at least 30% off, which is such a steal if you think about it. You would have to be a BIB Rouge to get 20% off during the Sephora sale. It's such a steal, especially for hair related products. I think they are the best deal that you can get. I get so many of my beauty must-haves during Prime Day, especially the Crest 3D whitening strips. I already ran out. I feel like my teeth are looking extra yellow lately. If you've been following my channel, follow me on Instagram this year, you know that this has to be my top recommendation. It's the Amazon Kindle. I have the Oasis. I've also heard great things about the Paperwhite, but y'all, this is the cheapest you'll find it all year. If you've been getting into books, if your New Year's resolution was to read more, if you just want to declutter, you know, physical books and just have everything in this like perfect travel size lightweight tablet thing, I cannot recommend it more. I've read 62 books this year. I've never been a reader and I swear the Kindle has changed my life. I have an entire video on my favorite Amazon cleaning products, cleaning finds. In my opinion, this is the best time of year to stock up or buy things that you've been wanting for cleaning and the house. Vacuums, robot vacuums, any sort of like electric appliance like that to clean. So I have a few favorites that I swear by, that I've purchased during Prime Days and that I don't regret. Also a great time to invest in the smart house items, so think smart thermostats. This one by Amazon is our all-time favorite. It connects to your Alexa app and everything is just in one place. It saves you energy. It's only $55 right now and it goes even lower. We also love our smart door lock. We've had this since we moved into our house, almost 3 years. It's amazing. You can unlock it with your thumbprint or a code or even a key or an app on your phone. It's also a great time to add stuff to your security system. They have Ring doorbells, Ring cameras, floodlights, any like security camera that you want to add. They don't even have to be part of your security system. Amazon has very inexpensive security cameras that you can add to apps on your phone. This is probably one of the things that people ask me the most about, and it is the robot vacuums. I've tried so many, I want to say 4 or 5 different brands, and by far this Jedi one is my favorite. I have 2 different ones, one in our bedroom and the other one in the first floor. Self-empties, and it also comes with the mopping attachment. My favorite hair appliances, hair tools, hot tools will be on sale. They're almost always 30-ish% off or more during Prime Day. I highly recommend Tymo, the brand. I've also really liked some of these like heated hair brushes. I'll link my favorites down below. I have an entire hair favorites. Let's talk novelty kitchen appliances. So I'm talking snow cone machines, the Ninja Creamy, that is on my list. I will be purchasing it. The Nugget Ice Maker, things like that. I feel like if you really want them, and in my opinion this is a purchase that you really need to think through because the majority of them are, number 1, hard to return, number 2, very expensive as it is, and number 3, are you gonna use it or are they gonna sit in your cupboard and you're never gonna look at them more than once a year? The Margaritaville machine, my friends have it and oh my god, life-changing. I'm about to get it too. Blenders, Ninja has amazing blenders. The Ninja Creamy will be on sale. Snow cone machines, popcorn machines, waffle makers, things like that that like aren't a necessity but they're really fun to have, that now is the time to get them because it's probably the only time of year that they get so low. Another thing that is great to buy during this sale is air purifiers and things like that for the home. Amazon has so many options that go like under $100 during Prime Day, so look at the reviews and get one, especially with like how the air quality has been in all parts of the US lately, I think it's a must-have. Back to beauty, at home nail kits are always a great deal. So think gel nails, gel eggs, acrylics, dip powders, anything that you can do for your nails at home. They usually go as low as like 50 to 60% off. It's a great deal, a great little investment. You guys know, if you watch my channel, I love doing DIY beauty routines at home. Lash extensions kit is what I'm wearing. Tanning stuff. I bought my tanning machine at the last Prime sale in October. I got the tent and the machine and the solution, and I've never had to pay for a spray tan again. So many things that you can get super discounted. Now is the time to get it. I really like to buy home improvement items during this time of year. Think tools, like power tools, especially lawnmower things, drills, like specialty power tools. If you're trying to DIY and renovate your house or whatever, or you're just trying to get earlier Christmas gifts for your husband or dad, great time to buy them. Another thing is like lamps, fixtures, things like that. They go super low, probably the lowest they go all year. I've gotten lampshades, I've gotten overhead lighting, I've gotten so many of those little things that you might think won't be on sale. So I just save everything to my wish list, and then immediately on that day I can see everything that dropped, and whatever didn't drop I just delete or save for later, and I just buy the things that are actually on sale. So that's probably like one of my biggest tips. Just start adding things now, don't wait, and then on Prime Day you can wake up and see everything that got put on sale, and the things that didn't, then you can just remove. Another amazing home improvement item that you can find very discounted are these cabinet organizers or cabinet inserts that have completely changed my life. I have an entire video on Amazon home organization if you want like an in-depth recommendation list, but y'all, the pull-out sink cabinets, the ones for your cutting boards and like flat items on the kitchen, even if you have a KitchenAid and you want to add the insert that you can pull out, all of these go as low as they ever go. Trust me, because I've spent so many years researching this. They never go as low as they go on Prime Day, not even on Black Friday. So now is the time to get them if you want to add a little bit like of, you know, organization, home improvement, whatever you're renovating, you're moving soon. Get them now. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do regret it, good thing Amazon has free shipping and free returns. Okay, let's talk home decor, furniture, things like that. There's always a few things that I say to stay away from, because what I've found that they do is that they raise the prices of, let's say, a bed frame. So it used to be, I don't know, $200, but now it's $300 a few days before Prime Day. Prime Day comes, it goes back down to $200, and it makes you think that you're saving money when in reality you could have just spent that money at any point of the year. So what you should do right now is just add it to your cart, and you will be notified by Amazon every time you look in your cart if it was actually on sale or if the price lowered or got raised. Does that make sense? I asked you guys over on Instagram what you wanted to buy, and a lot of people said printers. So I think printers are very personal. You kind of have to figure out what you want. I've had my printers since, I don't know, I think college, so at least 5-6 years, and I use it all the time. I think printers are essential in a household, in my opinion, but that's not the point. I have the HP printer and it works great, but maybe you want a printer for printing a ton of documents, so you need something a little quicker. Maybe you want printers for printing pictures. Maybe you just want like a small little printer for your phone to make like Polaroid pictures. Whatever you want, I'm sure it'll be discounted, but I would also check Target, Best Buy, and Walmart for printers, because in my opinion Amazon is notorious for not having the best price on those type of electronics. So just saying, I would check other places before buying any of Amazon. Of course, there's thousands if not millions of items that will be on sale during Prime Day, and I cannot do a $35 million, wait, $35 million, 35 seconds long 30-hour video is what I'm trying to say. Am I okay now? So what I will do for y'all is I have an entire tab over on my Amazon shop that I update a lot leading up to Prime Day, but on Prime Day I'm updating it like every hour, especially with flash deals, so you can save it to your computer or your phone, and I'll try to update it as much as possible so you guys are not missing out on any deals. But y'all, like I said, everything with a grain of salt. Please try to do your research. Don't fall for like the scammy, you know, like lowest price in 30 days, but it's usually lower than that. like if it wasn't Prime Day, you know what I mean? As always, you probably don't need anything. So if you don't have the money, if it's not a good time for you financially, if you're trying to declutter and be a minimalist, do not fall for the overhype of this sale or the Nordstrom sale or any other sale. You probably don't need half of the stuff influencers like me are recommending, which is why I love doing the influencing videos. But I know a lot of you appreciate these recommendations, so that's why I'm here to try to help you navigate through the millions of items that are on sale. Hopefully you find this helpful. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. It'll be in the description box below. And let me know what you're shopping for, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.